Right, we're here. 26th of September 2016. Joe's last night. So
not
no. Last night in Worksop, should we say? We've just been out for a meal. Oh, and you can see he's trying a bottle of my, well, a glass of my black cherry wine.
And very good it is too. It was bottled on my son's 40th birthday, 2014.
So we've had a week together. We've been to the Worksop Priory, Durham Cathedral, Ripon Cathedral, Worksop Priory. Today we've been on part of the, what they call the Pilgrim Fathers Trail. So we went to Scrooby, managed to get into the church there, and then to Babworth. That has the replica of the Mayflower in. How do you feel about that, being able to get into them places?
Well, it was very kind of these women to roust themselves out and unlock the doors for us. It was very kind, completely unexpected. And obviously, if it had been just me, I would have just said, okay, I can't get in, and moved on. But you sort of, knew what to do.
And all week we've been trying to get cooked breakfasts at these places. And tonight, he had an all-day English breakfast. And what was that like?
Well, three fried eggs. I was in heaven. I do like fried eggs.
But it has absolutely been an absolute pleasure to have Joe here. I can't express that enough.
It's fun.
It's been nice to have somebody that with the same sort of mentality when it comes to religion as...
Yeah.
And for those that have heard me talk before about the Skype sessions we have, we've been together now 10 days?
Well, yeah, about that. Yeah, yes. Yeah.
10 days, 15 hours a day. That's 150 hours. It has been 150-hour Skype session.
Yeah, it really has been. For the most part, yes.
We've had elation, exuberation, a bit emotional times as well while we've been chatting, but it's been absolutely hilarious.
Yeah, very nice. I mean, shit.
And Joe's favourite expression at the moment is what? Pray.
Oh, let's see. Pray, drinky. Pray, drinky. Yeah, pray, drinky.
Except, yeah.
In all caps.
Yeah, but sometimes I would take exception to that because it's been pray, drink, eat.
I mean, the eating is often optional. The first two aren't.
Well, I just wanted to do a quick video of us sort of last day. Oh, now I don't know how this is going to work because my other camera's knackered, so and we can't really see if we're getting in focus here. So I want to say thank you very much.
Well, thank you for
and it's been a pleasure.
Putting me up here and whining and dining me here, so to speak.
Yeah, it's been absolute brilliant time, and
yeah, it's been
thank you.
It's been great fun.
So there's going to be some videos uploaded later by myself of the trips to Durham and Ripon. I'm going to have to sort them out and stuff like that. No doubt Joe will be doing his videos as well.
Get home and
so
deconstruct,
we sort them all out. So check us out, everybody, and I hope you enjoy the pictures and you can see how much fun we've had.
Indeed.
Any last words?
Bye-bye, YouTubers.
Right, here's Joe going. Bye! Oh, it's going downhill. Should have gone uphill. Never mind. Don't know if it's calling for more supplies. Oh. Don't know if this is going to work because this is me and the video cameras died on me. Oh, I've actually got a bit of a tear in there. It's been such a wonderful time with Joe. We've really laughed, we've really enjoyed ourselves, and just basically had a great time. I hope and pray to God he's okay on his travels. He went downhill instead of uphill, but I think he was on about calling at the bottom shop. Don't know if that's why he's gone down. Like I says, he's going up to Durham to spend 4 days there, and then he's going. I forget where he's going. I think it's Worksop and stuff like that on his way back to the Manchester airport. It's been terrific. It has actually been absolutely fantastic. I says we have laughed, we have joked. It's been basically one great big Skype session. Plus, we've had good food, good beer. So it's been great. It's been great. I have absolutely loved having him here. I said a bit teary now he's gone. It's because we've gelled so much. He met my sister and brother-in-law. Sister thought he was wonderful, thought he was brilliant. So here's to future visits. Right, just an update. I can't get my camcorder working, so I've had to go out and buy a new one. Ordered off Amazon. Not bad camera, it's got a good write-up. But I need one for my video blogging, so ho hum, ho hum. So that's ordered, should be here in a couple of days.